My overall portfolio is 60% S&P 500, 40% gold, and 10% Bitcoin. Now that exposure in Bitcoin is now at zero because I believe that Bitcoin is in a bear market. So I have zero exposure to Bitcoin. Gold I have limited to 15% because of the previous volatility, and I believe I'm now 30% in the S&P 500, and will of course add some to the S&P 500 because I do feel like we are breaking into new all-time highs. And the way I see it right now is we have one major thing that is currently running the markets, and that is the AI narrative. The AI narrative is still causing a lot of the upside momentum that we see in the stock market. But there's also something else that we have to keep in mind, is that we are seeing the signs that we are in the late stage cycle of the business cycle, and perhaps we have topped in the business cycle. We also see global liquidity contracting. Now that does not mean that we are going to break down and enter recession tomorrow. We might rally quite a lot, and we have a situation here with AI that we haven't seen before. We don't really know how powerful AI will be for the economy, how much profit these companies will make because of AI. That's currently the most important driving theme, I believe, for the macro environment. And of course, if you look at the interest rate and inflation, with the new Fed chair coming in, we might have a scenario where they will accept perhaps a 3% inflation target instead of a 2%, which means that gives them more room to lower rates. And that might also be a very strong risk on catalyst for the market.